Hello student, now let's discuss what is a metalloproteinase. A metalloproteinase is a protein enzyme in which the catalytic mechanism includes metal. For example, zinc and cobalt. Metalloproteinase requires zinc but use cobalt. This metal ion, coordinated with protein via 3 ligands. Glutamate, histidine, aspartate. Subcategories. There are 2 subcategories. Metallo-exopeptidases. Second that is a metallo-endopeptidases. All about the metalloproteinase enzymes. The fourth position in that the metal ion is coordinated with protein via 3 ligand, that is glutamate, histidine, aspartate and other. And the fourth position is occupied by the water as a Levant ligand. And this metalloproteinase enzyme have 2 types, that is a metallo-exopeptidases and metallo-endopeptidases. Discuss the next point, that is metal-based chemotherapy. So here, as we know that the chemotherapy is a very advanced treatment in various cancers. So here, generally there are various metals which act as a chemotherapeutic agent in cancer treatment. So we will discuss it in detail. Best. Neoplastic drugs. Are generally known as platins. Platins are chemotherapeutic agents used to treat variety of cancers. These generally include cisplatin, carboplatin, then oxaliplatin. These platinum metal complexes used in chemotherapy treatment of cancer. These agents cause cross-linking in DNA, making it impossible for dividing DNA, dividing cell to duplicate its DNA. Leading eventually to cell death. Cisplatin and carboplatin are heavy metal chemotherapeutic agents. So these are all about the metal-based chemotherapeutic drug, that is, as we know, the cisplatin, carboplatin and oxaliplatin as chemotherapeutic drug. Discuss the metal complexes as a diagnostic agent. Play a very important role. Biological processes. There are many metal complexes or a huge variety of complexes is used in therapeutic and diagnostic medicine. Because of toxicity, liver issue, many metal ions encapsulate with ligand, which results in stable and inert complexes, which latter used as a diagnostic agent. Gadolinium, manganese, Fe. complexes is used in MRI used as a MRI agent. Scandium complexes are positron emitter which used in PET, that is positron emission therapy. The next one, that is luminescent lanthanide complexes of European is used in optical imaging. That is yttrium and lithium isotopes are alpha and beta particle emitters. Which used in medical purposes. Medical So these are the various metal complexes which is used in diagnostic, which is used as a diagnostic agent in various medical purposes. Now we will stop here. Thank you.